Hi, my name is Bree and I'm in Beehive. It's been an amazing experience. The show is very collaborative, so we're always working together and everyone's so sweet and supportive, so I've never felt like if whatever I was doing I was alone in it. It's just been really fun. It's a great journey. Oh man, I discovered that these women in the 60s, they were singing. Like when you listen to the recording, it sounds like so easy. And then I started singing it, and I was like, hold on. This is a workout. So I appreciate them before, but I really appreciate what they did for music. Definitely. So one of the singers that I portray is Aretha Franklin. And honestly, she is just a goddess. Like, I honestly listened to her growing up because my parents, they were born in the 60s. So that was one of the artists that they really listened to when they were children. And honestly, again, she just been singing. It's crazy to think about all the work they put in just to perform these songs. She's just amazing. And something new that I discovered was how popular girl groups were. So I think nowadays, girl groups, they don't work as well as they did back then. Like back then, that was the normal. And today, it's not as accepted. So I think just the idea of all these women singing songs together and being a group, and there not being anything weird about that was really nice. Come see Beehive!